Righto. I'm just about to make a recording of some of the work that we've done this week. This is my first go at this. This is some of the questions from exercise 3.13 or 3.13. It's solving simultaneous equations, but they're non-linear. So when we solve non-linear equations, we can get a variety of solutions. We can get one solution, two solutions, even more solutions, three in some cases, or four. And we may get no solutions. So I'm just going to have a go at these for some of the people who are away and some people are having trouble. Let's start with the first one, and we'll start with y equals x squared. We'll call that equation number 1. Now remember, it's important to show your working so that if it's in an assessment or examinable, the person marking it will understand what you're doing. And the second equation we'll call equation number 2, which is y equals x, and we'll sub 2 into equation number 1, and we'll get x squared equals x. It's pretty easy, they both equal each other, and we'll pull that x over. We'll get x squared minus x. We'll factorise that. And from there, because we factorise it and it equals 0, we'll get our two solutions. So x can equal 0 and x can equal 1. We're only halfway there yet because we've got to find the y value. So again, we'll show whoever's reading this, examiner or marker, what we're doing. We're going to sub those into, and the easiest one to sub them into is equation number 2. And when we do that, we'll get y equals 0, we'll get y equals 1. And remember, these are two coordinates, so we'll write them as a set of coordinates, so 0, 0, and 1, 1. Now, we should check these. So we'll just check them. Something's happened to my line. So we're back, we're back on. And we'll check them in. Now, because we got them from equation number 2, we'll check in equation number 1. And we'll go, the first one, does 0 equal 0 squared? And 0 squared is 0. Yay, that's a solution. And does 1 equal 1 squared? And yes, it does, so we're happy with that one as well. So we've solved it, we've checked it, but let's have another look at it. If we look at these two equations, and so all of these equations can be graphed, thanks to René Descartes' invention of the number plane, the Descartes number plane. We can plot any two variables on the number plane. So if we just graph y equals x squared, and then we graph the line of y equals 1, and this is not to scale, but it'll do. We can see our two solutions. One is here, and one is here. And that pretty much looks like 1, 1. And this one is 0, 0. So it makes sense. Our solution makes sense, which is always important to check. It's also important here, if I look up here at this step, and I'll just change colour, be very aware it's dangerous here not to divide by x, because you will eliminate one of the variables, or you'll eliminate one of the solutions. Anyway, there's the first one. You have a go at a couple of others. I'm going to do one of the harder ones that comes up later and see how you go.